with the weather turning warmer, it's time for us to hit the water again, and it's one of our favorite things to do. Now, there's a lot of things that you can bring on a kayaking trip, and these are the 5 things that we think we absolutely have to have. Now, this is not an all-inclusive list, but it is our list, so sit back and enjoy. Gloves, because if you haven't used a paddle for a long time, you don't understand that pain. Blisters everywhere. Now, I don't often do the gloves. I tend to like these, the paddle grips, but just keep in mind, blisters are a real thing. Now, this next item isn't absolutely necessary, but if you've ever rolled over and lost your paddle, you'll wish you had it, believe me. Paddles are expensive. This paddle leash is not. Now, this one is very near and dear to my heart because I am what they call follicularly challenged, and that's a hat. Yes, that's me wearing my hat. Now, if you don't have this next item, this is how you'll probably see. And believe me, just because it's everywhere, you need drinking water. That's right, you may be in the water, but you got to have something to drink. And we got to keep it with us at all times. This is where I'm keeping it right now. Now, I know what some of you thinking, you've got beer or anything else that you can drink. Well, it's not water. Some quick honorable mentions, this machete, because you can get trapped up into some wilderness and danger noodles. And also this paddle holder. It's pretty helpful. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Personal flotation device. Now, this is number 1, and I put it there for a reason because you absolutely need it. I know there's a lot of you out there that think you don't need it and just in calm water. Well, always keep safety at the utmost top of your mind. And that's our quick list. We'll see you guys out there.